Hola a todos. Hello everyone. I'm out sick, but I figured that instead of using up my emergency lesson plans, I might as well actually teach some Spanish. How are you going to teach Spanish and you're not even there? Well, you're not in the building. Well, what I'm going to do, you're not even in the right county. Wally, I'm going to make a video, and then they're going to watch it. Just like last year. Everybody was virtual last year, and they still learned. Isn't this guy naive? Never thought he learned anything last year. Okay. We're going to talk about los cumpleaños. What are those? Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz. Oh, okay, I get it. All right. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? I don't know what you're saying. Mi cumpleaños es el 2 de junio. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? I still don't get it. Okay, here's an example. Someone says to me, ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? I say, mi cumpleaños es el 2 de junio. That's for me, but for you it would be different. Okay. Mi cumpleaños es el 2 de junio. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Mi cumpleaños es... I don't know. I don't know either. When did you get me? Summer 2008. Oh. Are you 10 years old? No, I was not 10 years old. 5. No, I was not 5 years old in 2008. I was a lot older than that. 55? No, I was not. Okay. So, for the sake of argument, let's just say it's el 20 de junio. Okay? Okay. So I could say to you, ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? You would say, es el 20 de junio. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Es el 2 de junio. That's good, Wally. Thank you. So my question for you is, ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Could be el 1 de marzo, could be el 13 de junio, could be el 24 de octubre, could be anything. So think about that. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? And then once you got that, here's another question. ¿Cuántos años tienes? What is that? Well, I'll ask you. ¿Cuántos años tienes? And your answer would be, tengo 13 años. Oh, I get it. So I'm the same age as a lot of your students. Yes, you are. That's weird. Yes, it is kind of weird. At any rate, are you in my adolescent bird? No, you're not adolescent bird. You've actually already reached maturity. In fact, you had already reached maturity when I got you. So I went directly from being a baby bird to being an adult? No, you were never a baby bird, but let's have that conversation another day. What do you mean I was never a baby bird? Okay. We'll talk about that some other time. Okay. Now, it's time for some listening practice. Go back to Schoology and you'll find a couple of links. Click on them and watch and listen to the videos very carefully. You'll understand a lot of what you hear. Yep, and once you've done that, come back here. We'll still be here. What is a birthday collector anyway? Birthday collector is an activity where we try to figure out who is the oldest and youngest person at our table. Oh. Yep. So I could say to someone, ¿Cuántos años tienes? And they would say, tengo 13 años or tengo 12 años. You don't have any students older than that? No, all my students are in 7th or 8th grade. Didn't your students want to toss me in the air? Well, there were some students, when we did an activity where we were tossing an object, and some of them, did they or did they not want to toss me in the air? They wanted to toss you in the air, yes. That would be scary. What, to be tossed in the air? No, to be that close to your students. Oh, come on, Wally. Don't make fun of my students. Okay. So at any rate, you are going to ask the questions, ¿Cuántos años tienes? And ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Because a lot of them are going to be the same age. So they'll need to ask, ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? To figure out who's the oldest and youngest at the table. And then we'll see who's the oldest and youngest in the whole class. So start at your own table, and once you've got them, get up, walk around some, and figure out the ages of some different people. But don't take too long to do this.
Yeah, don't take too long. Now I want you to look up some famous people.
Yes, some famous people, and tell me a little about them. Here's an example. Soy Wayne Brady. Mi cumpleaños es el 2 de junio. Tengo 49 años.
He's that old?
Yes.
The guy that hosts Let's Make a Deal?
Yes, he is. So at any rate, that's my example. Your example might be someone younger. That way you can stay in the numbers that you know and not have to go into 40s, 50s, 60s. So you could say,
Soy Andrew Drowning.
Tango, no, you're not going to say my age. Tango, no. Finally, we have La Calculadora Humana.
The human calculator. I can't go that deep.
It's okay. So, go back to Schoology and you'll find another YouTube link, and it will be a video of La Calculadora Humana from a TV show called Saber y Ganar.
Watch it and be amazed.
Yes, be amazed, and then be even more amazed because one of you is going to be the human calculator.
The human calculator. He says it better, doesn't he?
One of you is going to go up to the front of the class and be the human calculator. The other classmates will give you math problems to solve, but those problems cannot go above the 30s. For example, 3 por 12 is okay because that's only 36, but 4 por 11 is a bit too high. Stick with the numbers you know, up into the 30s. Make sure you're doing
addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Yes, do all 4 of those, just like in the clip. You can use pencil and paper, bring that up with you, but you have to say all your answers in Spanish. And let's see how many you can do in 2 minutes. And then, once you're over, you choose who comes up next.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun, except you won't see it.
It's okay. I will feel it.
You know what I like?
What?
I like Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally.
Oh, you're talking about parentheses, exponents, multiplication.
I know what it is. You know what I like even better than that?
What?
Primal elephants of mass destruction ate somebody.
Wally, they're not going to use something like that for children.
Why not?
Finally, you have one closure activity that your substitute will give you. And you have a homework assignment which is also on Schoology.
But it's pretty simple, so don't panic.
Yes, don't panic. And then I will see you hopefully next week.